This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to add a link to your page in WordPress, and I'm just using the default editor for WordPress. You might have a page builder, maybe like Divi Builder or Visual Composer, etc. The concept should be pretty much the same. You might have to just add it through a text module, or they might actually have a link module as well. Just kind of depends on what you're using, but I'm going to be using the default editor. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple. So pretty much what we're going to do as you want to add a paragraph or a text. I also have a classic paragraph because I have added a plugin, but just with the default paragraph, if you add some text here, say some link, okay, you can see up at top here when I go into this module, I have a link icon right here, and this is what we're going to do to add a link to the page. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can just simply click this link, add your link that you want to add straight into here, and it's going to show the link just as it is right on the page. Or you can use what we call anchor text, and this is what this is right here. You can give it kind of a descriptive name. This is really great for SEO. So I want to make this the actual link instead. So what I would do is I would highlight this text, and then I would click the link, and then I would add my text right to it, or my link right to it, like that. And there you go. Now you can see that this text is now a link. So that's two ways you can add links to your page. If you're working on something, maybe your ender credits or something like that, or you want to add a link right from the HTML, I can show you the code for that. Pretty much what it is a lesser sign AR or HREF equals the link that you're using. .com, close your quotes, greater than sign, and then you can also add the anchor text, which just like I have here, and then it could be my link, and then close the anchor, just like that. So yeah, those are a couple different ways you can add links to your pages. I hope that helps, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.